Welcome back to Stocklabs. Just finished the month of July, so time to check on Fly's Quant strategy, which is fully automated. Well, I shouldn't say fully, but mostly automated strategy. Basically, rotate the stocks first trading day of the month and then leave it alone until next month. Stocks are picked off of his Quant screen, which is inside Stocklabs. And that's all he uses. There's no other sort of him deciding, what to pick, what not to pick. It's all decided by the screens that are created. So for July, it was a good month, up 10%, which is big bounce back from the prior month where took a pretty big hit in all of the oil and gas sort of overweight allocation that it had. But yeah, nice bounce back for July. Brings year to date to 7%, which is still beating the market. And yeah, what was the top performers for the month? Celsius energy drink up 36%, pretty good. Whatever this is, LNTH in second, and then some of the oil and gas. It still has a pretty sizable oil and gas allocation. A lot of those bounced pretty nicely for the month. And then worst performers. Okay, there was an energy one in here, a couple energy ones, and some pharma company. They were down. They were only four down stocks. If we look at the industries that are in here, okay, so yeah, you see a lot of oil and gas, and there are a couple like consumer related stocks. You could say that energy drinks consumer related. Got Chico's in here as a retailer. What else? One biotech. Okay, one solar that probably should have bounced pretty well on the most recent week, but yeah, I think another biotech probably going to be. I think Fly blogged what the sort of industry breakdown looks like for August, which there's going to be a lot less oil and gas stocks in here. The statistics on these stocks have really kind of deteriorated over the last couple months. So I mean, they were still the best things. They were still the best things to be in up until maybe a month or so ago. But now Quant's going to be moving away and picking some other sectors that have started to sort of produce better trends that they can hopefully capitalize on. As far as the breakdown, okay, there's one more performance. Yeah, so you can see like June took a big hit. Actually, it was up pretty nicely for that month at the very start, but then when the oil trade collapsed all at once at one point, the portfolio went with it. But then from sort of mid-July on, it's kind of starting to put together a nice uptrend again. So we'll see what the August holdings look like. I think probably Fly's hoping for, getting attached to another sector that will, run for another 6 months, sort of like the oil and gas trade did. But yeah, good month, good bounce back from portfolio overall. And yeah, if you're waiting for the new picks, they'll be in usually by early afternoon Monday inside Stocklabs. So just keep an eye out for that. And yeah, good month from the Fly, and hopefully it keeps it going.